Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video is going to be showing you a VC glitch for NBA 2K26 Arcade Edition. This is literally going to get you 450,000 VC using a locker code for NBA 2K26 Arcade Edition. And yeah, basically guys, this is going to get you tons of VC, saving you a bunch of money because the in-app purchases are pretty expensive. And yeah, this literally takes a few minutes using a locker code, guys. So as you can see, the normal 2K26 VC costs around $100 for 450,000. But yeah, this is the arcade edition. And I'm just going to show you how to get VC for free. So you literally can enter a locker code in the game. So what you're going to want to do is use your mobile internet browser and just head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So pause the video, copy it down. And Crash Coupons is a awesome game code website, guys. Highly recommend you bookmark them because they have hundreds of pages on here. So this actually utilizes a normal NBA 2K26 locker code, but it actually works once you redeem it in the arcade edition. So as you can see, you've just got to use the search bar and find this page here, guys. And once you reach this page, scroll down and find this code, guys. This is a locker code to get 450,000 VC for completely free. The reason I call this a VC glitch is because this locker code isn't supposed to supply this much. And I don't think it's even supposed to work on the arcade edition, but it does. I just thought I'd try it, and it actually worked. So yeah, this is awesome. I've already done it, guys, and these are limited codes. So as you can see, you do need to unlock your locker code, which is completely normal. It just prevents people taking more than one of these codes. Like I said, I've already got my code. So what you're going to want to do is click on get full code. I'm not going to do it, like I say, but you're going to see a new screen, and there's going to be a set of instructions telling you how to unlock your NBA 2K26 Arcade Edition locker code. And that is basically going to unlock your code once you fully complete the steps. And yeah, you simply redeem the locker code in the arcade edition game, and that is the best VC glitch, guys. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. This game isn't great. I don't actually think the arcade edition's very good, but if you're playing it, at least it's going to save you some money on VC. So that is it. Hope you enjoyed. Go to Crash Coupons. Make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.